Modern DIY backyard privacy ideas. Simple and affordable. Your backyard should be your sanctuary, your escape, your private little corner of the world where you can breathe, unwind, and just exist without feeling like you're on display. But here's the reality for a lot of us. You step outside, sit down, and within 30 seconds, you can feel it. Eyes from next door. A neighbor's window looking directly into your space. A fence that's just not quite enough. And that feeling? It ruins everything. So today on Modern Yard Lab, we're solving that problem with style. I'm giving you the most modern, clean, and affordable DIY backyard privacy ideas you can actually build yourself. No boring lattice, no ugly tarps, no cheap temporary fixes. Just sleek, sophisticated privacy solutions that make your yard look like a design magazine pulled up a chair. Before we start, I want to hear from you. On a scale of 1 to 10, how private does your backyard feel right now? Drop your number in the comments. I read every single one, and I genuinely want to know where you're starting from. Let's get into it. Idea 1. Sleek vertical slat privacy screen. Idea 1, and this is the one that gets the most reaction every single time. A vertical slat privacy screen. Thin, evenly spaced timber, or composite battens mounted on a steel frame running floor to ceiling or fence to pergola, creating a clean, architectural privacy wall that looks absolutely stunning. The spacing between slats gives you control over how much you see through, tight spacing for full privacy, and wider gaps for filtered light and a more open feel. Paint or stain the slats in charcoal, matte black, or deep graphite, and the result is a feature wall that looks like it cost thousands. But with DIY materials, you're looking at a fraction of that. This is the definition of modern privacy. It's not hiding your yard, it's elevating it. Would you go charcoal slats or natural timber finish? Tell me in the comments. I'm putting together a community poll based on your answers. Idea 2. Modular concrete block privacy. Wall idea 2, and before you scroll past, hear me out. Because this is not your grandmother's concrete wall. Modern modular concrete blocks. Think clean-faced, smooth-finish breeze blocks or decorative screen blocks with geometric cutout patterns, stacked in a structured layout, create a privacy wall that is bold, architectural, and completely on-trend right now. The geometric cutouts in screen blocks let light and air filter through while maintaining privacy. Paint them in matte white or warm sand tones, and they look like something straight out of a luxury resort. You can build a freestanding section as a feature screen beside a patio, or use it as a partial wall between your yard and a neighbor's eye line. Cost is low. Impact is enormous. And the result is genuinely unique. Because not many people are doing this in residential yards yet, which means your yard gets ahead of the curve. Have you ever considered concrete as a design material for your yard? Drop your thoughts below. Idea 3. Tall ornamental grass privacy border. Idea 3, and this one is the most natural, most effortless privacy solution on this list. A dense border of tall ornamental grasses planted along your fence line or property boundary creates a soft, living privacy screen that moves beautifully in the breeze and looks incredible in every season. Use varieties like pampas grass, miscanthus silver feather, or giant feather grass, plants that grow tall, thick, and fast. Plant them in a single staggered row about 60 centimeters apart, and within 1 to 2 growing seasons, you have a lush, full privacy border that no neighbor can see through. The modern touch? Keep the planting linear and structured. No random scattering. A clean, uniform row of grasses planted against a dark fence or wall creates a contrast that looks sharp, architectural, and completely intentional. Low maintenance, zero construction, maximum impact. And if you want a full dedicated video on the best ornamental grasses for privacy, drop grass in the comments and I'll make it the next upload. Idea 4. Steel cable wire trellis with climbing plants. Idea 4. And this one is for those of you who want privacy that feels alive. A steel cable wire trellis system. Horizontal stainless steel cables tensioned between two posts or wall-mounted brackets, spaced about 30 centimeters apart, running the full length of your fence or patio edge. Plant fast-growing climbers at the base. Star jasmine, wisteria, Boston ivy, or climbing hydrangea, and let them weave through the cables over time. What you end up with is a sleek, modern green wall of living foliage. The steel cables are barely visible. The plant becomes the feature. It's clean, it's architectural. And it smells incredible if you choose jasmine. The steel hardware gives it that modern industrial edge that separates it from a basic garden trellis. And because the plants grow naturally, every season it looks slightly different, which means your yard is always evolving. This is probably my personal favorite on this list. What about you? Living privacy screen or solid structure? Tell me below. Idea 5. Bamboo screening panels with a modern frame. Idea 5. Bamboo, but not the way you're picturing it. Forget the cheap rolled bamboo fencing that sags and browns within a season. I'm talking about bamboo screening panels, compressed, treated, consistent, set inside a clean powder-coated steel or hardwood timber frame. The frame is everything here. A crisp or dark-framed panel transforms bamboo from budget garden fix to intentional design choice. Mount several panels side by side with equal spacing for a modular, repeating pattern that looks completely deliberate and modern. You can mount them onto an existing fence to add height and texture, or build them as freestanding screens on ground anchors. Seal the bamboo with an exterior matte finish to protect the color and slow weathering. The result is a warm, natural, textured privacy screen that contrasts beautifully against the clean lines of a modern yard. And yes, it is still affordable. That's the whole point. What's your take on bamboo as a modern material? Love it or leave it? Drop your verdict below. Idea 6. Gabion stone wall feature. Idea 6. And this one stops people in their tracks every single time they see it. On a Gabion wall, steel wire mesh cages filled with river stones, slate, or recycled concrete rubble, stacked to create a solid, heavy, deeply textural privacy wall or screen. Gabion walls are used in high-end landscape architecture around the world, and for good reason. They're incredibly strong. They drain naturally. They need zero maintenance, and they look extraordinary. The stone fill you choose completely changes the character of the wall. River pebbles give a smooth, natural look. Slate gives a dark, dramatic, layered effect. Crushed granite gives a raw, industrial edge. Build them at seated eye height for a partial screen that defines your patio space. Or go full height for complete visual separation. And this is the privacy solution that makes people stop and ask, "Where did you get that?" And the answer is, you built it yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love the Gabion wall idea? Drop your rating below. I'm collecting data for an upcoming community poll. Idea 7. Floating timber, batten fence upgrade. Idea 7. And this is for those of you who already have a fence, but it's just not doing enough. A floating timber batten fence upgrade. You take your existing fence structure and attach horizontal or vertical hardwood battens to the face of it, creating a completely new surface with a modern architectural finish. Use spotted gum, blackbutt, or treated pine, all widely available, all incredibly beautiful when oiled or stained in a dark finish. Space the battens uniformly. Keep the lines clean. And maintain consistent gaps. The result is a fence that no longer looks like a fence. It looks like a design feature. It adds height, texture, and a premium finish to what was previously a basic boundary. This upgrade works for timber paling fences, color bond, or even brick walls. You're essentially creating a new skin over an old surface. And the transformation is dramatic. Here's a question for you. Do you have an existing fence you'd love to upgrade? Or are you starting from scratch? Tell me your situation in the comments. Your answers help me plan future content for this channel. Idea 8. Outdoor privacy pergola with louvre screening. Idea 8, and this one is the premium move on today's list. A privacy pergola with adjustable louvre screening on the sides. A pergola already gives you overhead structure and definition. But when you add louvre panels, angled timber or aluminium blades mounted vertically on the sides, you get privacy that you can actually control. Angle them fully closed for complete seclusion. Open them slightly for airflow and filtered light. This is the kind of feature that makes your backyard feel like a luxury outdoor room rather than just a yard. It's enclosed enough to feel private and intimate, but it's open enough to still feel connected to the garden. You can DIY a basic timber louvre pergola with standard hardware store components and a solid weekend of work. Or source pre-made louvre panels and attach them to an existing pergola structure. Either way, the result is breathtaking. Would you use timber louvres or go aluminium for a more industrial modern look? I'd love your opinion. Drop it below. Idea 9. Living green wall privacy panel. Idea 9. And if you want the most visually striking privacy solution on this entire list, this is it. A living green wall privacy panel. A structural frame, timber or powder-coated steel, mounted with modular planting pockets or hydroponic channels, filled with lush green foliage plants. Think Boston ferns, pothos, peace lilies, or outdoor-rated succulents, planted densely so the entire panel surface becomes a living, breathing wall of green. The modern approach is to keep the plants uniform. Same species, same color, same density across the whole panel. No wild mixing. Clean, disciplined, lush. Position it at the boundary where you need privacy most. Beside a patio, at the corner of your deck, or along the fence line. And it becomes the most powerful design statement in your entire yard. It's a conversation starter, it's a mood lifter, and it genuinely improves air quality and reduces ambient noise at the same time. Living wall or stone wall, which would you choose for your yard? Tell me in the comments. This is one of my favorite debates in the Modern Yard Lab community. Idea 10. The modern privacy yard, putting it all together. Idea 10. And this isn't a single project. This is a strategy. The most beautiful, most effective modern private backyards don't rely on just one privacy solution. They layer them. They combine them. They think about privacy from every angle. Overhead, side-on, from a distance, up close. And here is the Modern Yard Lab formula for a complete private backyard. Start with a vertical slat screen or floating batten fence upgrade as your primary boundary. Layer tall ornamental grasses in front of it to soften the hard edge. Add a steel cable wire trellis with climbers along a secondary fence line. Build a Gabion feature wall to define your patio zone. Hang a louvre pergola above your seating area for overhead privacy. Finish with a living green wall panel as your hero feature. Each element works alone. Together, they create a backyard that is completely private, completely modern, and completely yours. That is what we build on Modern Yard Lab. Not just gardens, outdoor spaces that feel like they belong to you. Closing. So, which of these 10 privacy ideas is going into your yard first? I need to know. Drop the number, 1 through 10, in the comments right now. Let's see what the Modern Yard Lab community is most excited about. And if you have a privacy challenge in your yard that you're not sure how to solve, describe it in the comments. I personally respond, and your question might become the next video on this channel. Here's something I want you to do this week. Just one thing. Walk out into your backyard. Stand in the spot where you feel most exposed. Look at the direction the problem is coming from. And then come back to this video and match that spot to one of these 10 ideas. That one moment of clarity is how every great backyard transformation starts. If this video helped you, please share it with one person who has a backyard that needs some love. You have no idea how much that one share means to an independent channel like this one. And if you are new here, welcome to Modern Yard Lab. Every week we bring you modern, practical, and beautiful DIY outdoor ideas that work in real yards for real people at real budgets. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, because what's coming next on this channel, you genuinely do not want to miss. Thank you for being here. Now go claim your privacy. Your backyard is waiting. I'll see you in the next one.